Welcome to this video on quality control in project management. Did you know that 1 out of every 6 projects has a cost overrun of 200%? Quality control is imperative in project management to ensure project success. It helps to identify errors and defects early on and correct them before they cause problems. Quality control helps to maintain project standards, ensuring the project meets the expectations of the stakeholders. It is the role of the project manager to ensure that quality control processes are in place. An example of quality control in a project is conducting regular inspections on the project deliverables and ensuring they meet the expected standards. This helps to identify issues early and fix them before they cause significant problems. The benefits of quality control in project management are numerous. It helps to increase customer satisfaction and reduce rework, saving money and time. There are several methods of quality control in project management, including statistical process control, quality checklists and audits, and Six Sigma. Choose the ones that work best for your project. Remember, quality control is not just about checking deliverables. It's about ensuring that the project meets the expectations of all stakeholders. So, make sure to implement quality control processes in your next project to ensure its success.